BJP has hopped on Manish Tiwari's dynast tweet to take an aim at Rahul Gandhi. Congress MP Manish Tiwari's post on global rejection of entitlement has snowballed into a political slugfest, citing the fall of Gotabaya Rajapaksa in Sri Lanka, Sheikh Hasina in Bangladesh, KP Sharma Oli in Nepal, and the unrest against Ferdinand Marcos Jr. in the Philippines. Tiwari has written, let me quote him here, that entitlement is no longer acceptable to Gen X, Y and Z. The BJP pounced with IT cell chief Amit Malviya, branding Rahul Gandhi the quote-unquote ultimate nepo kid of Indian politics, quipping, forget Gen Z, even Congress's own seniors are fed up. The revolt is from within. Manish Tiwari shot back saying, gosh, I just wish some people would grow up in life. He stressed his post was about larger geopolitical churns, not Rahul Gandhi, warning such trends carry quote-unquote serious national security implications for India. My colleague Sabyasachi Roy Chaudhary is joining us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, a big political slugfest going on with regards to the recent post made by Congress's Manish Tiwari, and of course a series of reactions coming in from the BJP. They are using it in their benefit.
Well, that's right. See, Manish Tiwari, who is part of the famous G23 from within the Congress party, and time and again he has been pushing for internal democracy. Now, Manish Tiwari has been known for being vocal as far as within the Congress party is concerned, because he was also part of the delegation after Operation Sindoor, which visited the foreign countries. Now, in this latest post of Manish Tiwari, he highlighted that how the Gen Zs has been rejecting the people who inherit power like the Nepo kids, and he also highlighted the situation in the neighboring countries of Bangladesh, Nepal, Philippines and even Sri Lanka. Now, Manish Tiwari highlighted that at this particular time it is very much important because this will have an effect as far as India is concerned, and it is a larger geopolitical issue that needs to be discussed. Now, BJP leader Amit Malviya criticized Mr. Rahul Gandhi, stating that even the Congress senior leaders are not happy with the old school politics of the Gandhi family, and time and again they have been speaking about it. In fact, Amit Malviya in the past also have highlighted that how the Gen Z have been rejecting the Congress party, and he has cited the example of the Delhi University polls which the NSUI lost. Now, after this, Manish Tiwari highlighted that he did not name Amit Malviya directly, but he said that some people need to grow up, and he highlighted about the fact from the geopolitical issue. It is very much important because it will have an impact on India, and people should not just limit it to BJP versus Congress issue, but rather should discuss about the problems that has been going on in the neighboring countries. So this was the war of words that took place between Amit Malviya and Manish Tiwari today, because Manish Tiwari in the past also time and again have somewhere criticized the Congress party, and being part of the G23 group from within the Congress party, which time and again has been pushing for internal democracy.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you so much for providing us the context with regards to the big breaking news of the hour coming in from the political circle.